Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a saved Wi-Fi password before you start. This resets adapters and removes VPNs. Once ready, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset to reveal the reset option. This is the first actionable step. When you see the Reset Now button, make sure any downloads are paused, then click it. The system will warn about removing network adapters. This is expected. After confirming, Windows schedules a restart to complete the reset process. After you confirm, Windows will automatically reboot. Let it finish without interruption because the reset reinstalls network drivers and components. During the restart, Windows resets TCP/IP, flushes DNS, and restores WinSock to defaults. This fixes many corruption issues. Once the system boots back up, sign in and open Settings to check network and internet. Make sure to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, and if a vendor driver or VPN was removed, reinstall it from the manufacturer or your backup. This restores any specialized features. Once reconnected, verify connectivity by pinging 888 and loading websites to confirm DNS and routing work. If you still see problems, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter and inspect Device Manager for missing drivers or yellow flags. Update drivers from the maker's site if needed. If multiple devices are affected, power cycle the router/modem. One key troubleshooting tip: try a direct Ethernet connection or a different cable to rule out physical layer faults before redoing the network reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.